Hi everyone, my name is James L. Santos. Today we're diving into object-oriented programming principles by creating some code from scratch while explore encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism in a way that show not only how to write the code but also how it actually works. So first kay magbuhat tag new class. So nakabat naman kog new class. Magbuhat na pud tag another class nga naka-package sa bank. So nakabuhat na kog new class. Magbutag tag pangalan bank account. So first kay magbutan tag private double balance private string private na mga variables ang balance og account number. Ginahimong private nga nagpasabot nga kini nga class dili ma-access direct gikan sa gawas sa bank account class. Public public bank account string account number double initial balance public bank account string account. Nagbuhatag new method sa public bank account tapos ang sulod sa parameter niya kay string account number and double initial balance. Magbuhatag constructor this account number initial so kamalian ni kina kay tapos naman ta sa constructor magbot na pud tag new method public double get balance ito. So nakapunta po tag public get balance para magbuhat na po tag kuan public void deposit double amount. Nakabot na tag new method nga public void deposit double amount ang parameter niya. So if amount ito rin sa balance deposit so nakabot ang tag public void deposit, nakabot ang tag new method aron maka-deposit. So magbuta sa tag new method para sa withdraw public void double amount if amount equals 0 amount balance system out print withdraw withdraw plus amount else else insufficient. So, tapos ang tagbuhat sa bank account class. Public nga mga method, deposit, withdraw o get balance ginahimong public aron makontrol ang pag-access o pag-modify sa private nga mga variable. So, balik ta sa main. Bank account So, nakabot na to. So nakabot na matag bank account, new bank account, new bank account. So, mag-gold tag ang class sa bank account kita bago na to sa main account. Deposit. Deposit kay 100. Tapos account para sa withdraw. Withdraw kay 50. Magbuhat og new final balance. Account get balance. So tapos na nato natawag ang bank account. So i-run nato daw. Okay. Okay na. Mao ni ang encapsulation. Encapsulation is the concept of bundling data, attributes, and methods, functions that operate on that within a single unit or class. It, re- it, re- it restricts direct access to some of components of an object, which protect the internal state of the object from unin- unintended change. Encapsulation is achieved by marking attributes as private and allowing controlled access through public methods. This principle helps maintain data integrity and allows change in one part of code base without affecting other parts. A bank account class has a private balance attribute. Public methods like deposit and withdraw are provided to interact with balance, ensuring that the balance can't be directly modified without validation. So, mao ni ang example sa encapsulation. Mag-proceed na pud ta sa inheritance. Let's proceed the inheritance. Inheritance allow one class called a subclass or child class to inherit fields and methods from another class, the superclass or parent class. This promotes code reuse as the subclass can use the functionality of the superclass without writing it. Additionally, the subclass can extend or override the inherited behaviors to provide especially functionally. So first kay magbuhatag main. So nakabuhat naman tog main, magbuhat na po tag another class nga naka-package sa main nato. So naka bank So nakabot na ko new class nga ang gipangalan nako kay bank account. Protected double balance. Protected means subclasses can access balance directly, but other classes cannot. Public double initial balance. Nagbuhat kog public bank account, tapos sa sulod sa parameter niya kay double initial balance, magbuhat na pod tag constructor. So nakabat na po constructor, magbuhat na pod tag new method, public void display balance. So nakabot na tag new method nga public void display info para ma-display niya ang balance. So magbuhat na po tag another class nakabot na tag another class nga ang gipangalan nako kay ang name class niya kay savings account. Private double interest rate. Nakabot na tag private double interest rate. Nag-add na po tag new attribute nga interest rate muna. So magbuhat tag new method public double initial balance and double interest rate. Super nagbutandag super initial balance calls the constructor of the bank account to set the initial balance. Initial balance tatag constructor this interest rate magbuot na sa tag new method public void apply interest balance so nagbotag balance classic equal balance at interest rate. The apply interest methods calculate interest and update the balance. New balance new balance so sa savings account okay na og sa bank account proceed ta sa main kay mag-call man ta dire. Tawa ko na to ang kada class na gi-inherit. Savings account savings call new savings account. So humang na to sa savings equal new savings account. Initial balance 500, interest rate 0.5, savings so nagbutang tag saving display balance para ma-display ang balance, saving apply interest para ma-apply ang interest. Inheritance allow saving accounts to reuse display balance in balance from bank account, making code reusable and extensible. Example: a savings account class inherits from a bank account class, so it automatically has access to common methods like display balance. It can also add new features specific to savings account like apply interest. So pagiran ni nato kay ang output niya kay balance 500, interest applied, new balance 525. Mao ni ang example sa inheritance. Let's proceed the polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms in OOP. It's allow object of different classes to be treated as object of a common superclass. This is especially useful when different classes shared a common interface, allowing to write code that works with any subclass in a uniform way. Polymorphism is achieved through method of overriding or method overloading. So first kay magbuhatag main account na kay nakabat naman kog main, so magbuhat na pod tag another class nga nakapackage sa main. So nakabuhat naman ko another class, magbutang tag protected double balance. Protected double balance means that defines a balance attributes to store the account balance. The protected access modifier allows subclass derived classes to access this attribute directly. Pag gumanan nato sa ngayon, magbuhat na po tag new method. Public So nakabat na ko new method nga public bank double initial balance. So ang parameter niya kay double initial balance. So tapos nagbuhat pod ko constructor this balance equal initial balance. The constructor for the bank account class which accept an initial balance and assigns it to the balance attributes. Magbuhat na po tag another method public void so system out print balance. So nakabat na ko new method nga public void display balance. A method to display current balance. Mao ni ang method nga naka-display sa current balance. The keyword public allows it to be accessed from outside the class. Pag human sa bank account kay magbuhat na pod tag another class nga ang pangalan nga class kay savings account. Savings so nakabot na ko another class nga ang class name niya kay savings account, mag-extend ta kay, tapos kung ano dapat kinahanglan ni naka-extend kay bank account. Need na to mag-add og constructor. Public class savings account extend bank account begins the saving accounts class, which extends inherit from the bank account class. Magbutang tag private double interest rate. Private double interest rate, declare a private attribute interest rate specific to savings account to hold the interest rate. Public savings account double initial balance. So mag-add po tag dire kuan interest rate. Wait. Double interest rate. O mag-add po tag constructor. This constructor for savings account that takes an initial balance in an initial interest rate. Super initial balance calls the parent class bank account constructor to set balance. This interest rate equal interest rate sets the interest rates attribute for savings account. Magbuhat na po tag another method, ay new method nga para sa apply interest. Public balance kani nga method apply interest adds the interest to the balance by calculating balance interest rate and adding it to balance. So pag man sa savings account kay buhat na pud tag new class nga nakapackage gyapon sa main. So nakabot na kog new class nga ang pangalan kay checking account. Extend gyapon ni nato kay bank account. Extend. Magbuton tag private double overdraft limit. Private double overdraft limit declares a private attribute overdraft limit specific to checking account to hold the overdraft limit. Public checking double initial balance, mag-add pod ta diri og double overdraft limit. Pag human nato pag add sa double overdraft limit kay mag-add pod ta constructor para sa iya. This So nakaabot ng tagkuan constructor for checking account that takes an initial balance and an overdraft limit. So for initial balance calls the bank account constructor to set the balance. This overdraft limit equal overdraft limit sets the overdraft limit attributes for checking account. Magbutang na pod tag new method. Withdraw double if balance overdraft system out print withdraw amount mapatang pod tag else system out print overdraft or overdraft limit exceeded. Tapos na ta magbuhat sa new method Method withdraw attempts to withdraw a specified amount from the account. It check if the balance plus the overdraft limit is enough to cover the withdrawal. If yes, it deducts the amount from balance and prints the withdrawal amount. Otherwise, it prints a message that the overdraft limit is exceeded. Pagawa na to sa checking account, balik ta sa main. Bank account. New savings account. Checking a bank account. New checking account. Nakabanatag bank's account ay bank account, may account equal new savings account, initial balance 1,000, interest rate 0.05. Bank account may checking equal new checking account, initial balance 1,000, overdraft limit 500. So paggawa nato na ani kay magbuhat na pud tag kuan my account. My account display balance. My checking display balance. Calls the display balance method on both my account and my checking. Display the initial balance for each account. Nagbatag if my account instance of savings account pay account apply interest, my account display balance. Use instance of to check if my account is an instance of savings account. If true, it has my account to savings account and calls apply interest to add interest to the balance and then display the updated balance for my account. So i-run nato para ma-sure nato ang unsa gyud ang output niya. So balance 1,000, balance 1,000, balance 1,050. Mao ni ang example sa polymorphism.